Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. We got a full week ahead of ourselves today, and Amazon did their 20 for 1 split today. So, woke up to more shares of Amazon here for myself at a nice little average. I got about an average of $110. Let me take a look here. Always fun to be in for something like that. $104.15 is my average on Amazon. Not bad. Not bad at all. All right. So, let's get ready to get to work. Young, trading with Tudu, Keshra, good morning, good morning. A little Cuban coffee. Get the day started off right. All right, guys, any questions regarding trading or tickers you want me to take a look at for you, drop them in chat here and let's get to work. We're not going to do an extensive Q&A session like we normally do. It'll be a little bit shorter today. It's already 8:35 a.m. and we got to hit up that watch list. That was my shoulder. Dwayne, good morning. Nice. Trading with Tidu. What's your strike price and expiration date? When'd you get in on those? Wow. SPY right in the face of 416 again. So looking like it wants it today. Morning, Dwayne. MULN. Let's go take a look at MULN. MULN, it's need to get over the 150 area, and then it's got to contend with that 50-day moving average too. That's at 160. It's got room to $2 or so. I'd expect that level to hold a little bit of of resistance. You got the 100-day moving average there, plus you have previous resistance. Oh, you got some time there trading with Tidu. Joy, not too late, man. We didn't really start the stream today until 8:30. Good morning, good morning. I see Didi hitting the scans today, up 66%. Look at this crazy move. That clearly has to be a piece of news. Let's go take a quick look here, see what's going on. Oh, it seems like it's just a whole China sector type thing. Yeah, it's a whole China sector type thing. Look at all these similar moves. Joy says, hit that like button, guys. Thank you, Joy. Had a good weekend, man. Had a good weekend. Saturday, didn't do a whole lot. Swung by my parents' house with my kid for a while, and then yesterday went with my wife and the kid to the zoo. She fed the giraffes. She was the smaller giraffe. She fed it just fine. The bigger giraffe, man, she was like, "Whoa, I'm not sure about that one." Oh man, that was cool. It was a cool experience. First time I feed giraffes as well. I had never fed a giraffe. I don't think. Been close to him. We once stayed at in Orlando. We stayed at Animal Kingdom, and I think there's pictures. I think there should be pictures on my Instagram. I'm not sure. But we stayed in Animal Kingdom, and then we stayed we had a balcony, and when we would be out there, I'd be out there on the laptop working. Wasn't trading back then, I don't think, but we had the giraffes right there. Like, you could literally see them; they were right there, the giraffes, right from the balcony of our room at Animal Kingdom. It was really cool. Sepa, good morning, guys. I think tomorrow we'll do another raffle. None today. Today's free chat Monday, so everybody wins raffle today because it's free chat Monday. So make sure to swing on by. Here's the link. Come spend the day with me over in the chat room and join the live stream. Do you guys have any tickers you want me to take a look at for you here real quick? We already did MULN real quick for Keshra. Any other ones you guys want me to look at? Otherwise, we'll just jump straight away into the watch list. Francisco, good morning. Matey, what's up? I think, Joy, I think any of that could be very well in the future. I don't know about those individual companies in themselves. I don't know anything about them as far as their balance sheets or whatnot. But I think stuff like that is definitely future, right? So you'd have to pick the one that you like as far as balance sheet goes and their team, you know, their plans moving forward, whatnot, and invest. That's the best tip I could give you. All tech is getting hammered now. I mean, you got to think about it. Amazon was what, nearly over 3,000 at one. It was over 3,000 at one point. I think it was closer to 4,000 if I'm not mistaken. And when we came all the way down to under 2,100, I picked some up there. And now, obviously, we've done our split today, so we're here at 124, which would have been what, 2,400 and change. So everything's gotten hit hard as far as tech goes. HUSA, $5 is the key level you want to watch here. You also want to keep an eye on crude. $5 would be the level to watch for support. If 5 holds, you got room to 675 or so. IMPP, that's another one if I'm not mistaken. Yep, there it is. It's oil-based, energy-based. 54 cent. 54 cent area would be the level to watch for support. Could have room here towards 66. BRK. A. Oh, that's not going to work. So I'm sure it's Berkshire Hathaway, right? So I'm thinking it's this one. You have clear previous support there at 467,650. If you crack underneath that level, you got room to fall down here to the 200-day moving average. And you got clear room to fall down here. But that would be a support zone to watch. INDO, that's another energy play. I'm going to clear up all these lines. With INDO, you have clear support at about 12 bucks. Right now, you have clear resistance at 16s, where that 100-day moving average is. This one hasn't been trading much volume lately. The split of what? Amazon's a 20-to-1 split. KW, what is this? KWEB. This one's got room here towards right around 33 bucks. You want to see that 100-day moving average hold a little bit here. Maybe you can get a move up here towards his previous resistance up here of 33, previous support zone. All right. That's what I would look at. EQT. I mean, 50 bucks is really holding this thing up. You get through 50, you got to watch volume, see how high it wants to go. Could make a little push here towards 54, 55. Over that, you really got room here. Opens up towards 60. Yeah, Rustar. Oh man, I've never had anybody ask me that one. $30 resistance potential. You got previous support. Previous support. Now you're at it. If you can break up and over it and hold it, you have room here towards that 200-day moving average around $34 to $35. Yeah, matey. 20 for 1 on Amazon. All right. All right, guys. It's 8:44. I'm just going to go ahead and start working on the watch list here because we don't have a whole lot of time. We got about 15 minutes left. So you know what? We can take another 1 or 2 questions and then we'll move on to that. Also remember, for those of you just tuning in, today's Free Chat Monday. Come hang out with us in the chat room for free all day long. And take part in the morning's activities and the afternoon activities as well, because I'm on the stream all day. All right, so I'll be on the stream in the morning. Around 11, 11:30, depending on the day's action, I jump into lessons and recaps on the day. If it's really slow, sometimes I do it a little bit earlier. Lunch is 12 to 2. 2 p.m. I hop back on the mic. Do me a quick solid, guys. We got 25 people watching the live stream. Thank you very much for tuning in. Smash that like button for me. It really helps out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm. All right, so let's jump into the SPY here. So on the SPY, we've been talking about this level on the SPY for days, right? We've been talking about 407. I'm not interested in puts unless 407 cracks. And I'm not interested in calls really unless we break up and over and hold 416. And right now, that's looking like what it wants to do today, to be honest. We have, you know, some positive moves coming out of the China sector. And I think that's also helping out the SPY a little bit. But that's the key level. Look at this level on the SPY. Look at that. It's clear as day, right? You guys see this. I mean, look. Previous resistance. Bang. Support. Boom. Support. Boom. And then boop. We fall right back under here. But we don't really break down. And now we're right back in the face of that resistance. I would not be surprised to see that happen. I would not be surprised in the least bit. So I will be watching for that level to possibly break. All right. So watching the 416 area to break and become support. Could have room towards the 50-day moving average. That 50-day moving average is just over 420. So call it 423 area. That's what I'm watching. That's what I'm watching right now. Andre, good morning. Blessings to you too, brother. Coin, I'll look at coin real quick for you. Oh, that's a big ol'. Whoops. Head and shoulders type pattern there. A little bit sloppy, but more or less. On this thing, you have clear resistance here about 74 bucks. If you can break up and over, you have room here towards 85, so it's got some room. Otherwise, you're looking at 66 to $60 support. 60 being the cleanest support zone on that one. Okay, so we got SPY. Wow, what a move on DD. On DD, you know, this could be something that maybe alleviates a little bit of pressure and you could see a move on it, or you could see it take place like a liquidity event and you could see a lot of people try to get out of this thing today. So you got clear as day previous 330 support. I'd watch that level for resistance today. Watching the 340s really. 340 area for resistance. could have a gap up to fade here. Joey says, come on guys, 24 watching the show. Some love for Jesse. Hit that like button. Thank you, Joey. Appreciate it. So let's go take a look at Tesla. Tesla is still struggling some here. I'd watch those 730s. 730s could be an area that holds it up. 730s has been holding up Tesla for a little while. It's been a level that we've traded in and out of. If it can get up over 740, that's when it really gets itself into the gap. I mean, honestly, over 743, but just that general area gets into the gap there. So on Tesla, I probably wouldn't be interested in it for long-sided trades unless we get over 743. So watching the 743 area, if this breaks and becomes support, could attempt to fill the gap into 770 area. Otherwise, watching 700 to break down and become resistance for a fade into 780 to mid 700s. I got SPY DD Tesla on there so far. Yeah, for me, it's SPY calls over 417, 416. SPY puts under 407. Tesla, for me, it's Tesla calls over 743. And Tesla puts under 700. It doesn't mean that Tesla breaks. I know there's people who trade this way. I don't. It doesn't mean that Tesla breaks 743. I just jump calls instantly. I don't care if it's 9:31 a.m. or 10:50 a.m. It doesn't matter. That's not what I'm saying. For me, I'll wait for a break through the support or resistance, or retest of the level. Look for that confirmation. And I don't trade the opening bell. Like, it's not 9:30 and I'm out there, hitting keys and no. I wait for patterns to develop. Like, you guys that are in the chat room know, it could be 9:40, 9:45, 10 o'clock. I won't take my first trade still until I get my right setup. I wait for my setup. Ricardo, good morning. So yeah, so far we got SPY, DD, and Tesla on there. So YMTX, it's got resistance up here, possibly in the 250s. That'd be a tricky little level. Nvidia, don't like it so much where it's at right now. AMD right into those 108s. AMD, if AMD breaks 110 and holds it, it's got room. It's got room. You could see AMD at 115, 116. So AMD watching the 110 area, 110 area to break and become support, could have room towards 116 zone. The King, no, I haven't seen it yet. Matey's asking how was it. Yeah, Joey, it is. It definitely is. If we get a market bounce today, you could see AMC get back up over 13. But until then, I'd watch 13 to hold resistance. But you do have some clear support around 12, 1220. I can definitely put it up on the watch list. AMC watching 13 to hold resistance for a retest of 12 zone. If 12 gives up, watching for a drop into 10 area. Yeah, so I got SPY, DD, Tesla, AMD, AMC on the watch list. The weekly watch list is also up, guys. Let me show you it real quick. We did send that out in an email. We got SPY, Tesla, HUSA, ZNTL on the weekly watch list. That is in your inbox. It was emailed last night. ARRY. I mean, this one already here in pre-market, it's made a move all the way up into that 200-day moving average area. You can see it here because this is today's candle so far. These charts, they show you the pre-market candle. It populates it like a daily candle here so you could see. And we've tested that 200-day moving average. On that one, I'd rather it break over and hold that level. That's when it'll be interesting. Hey, Jose, what's up? I already have my Cuban coffee, man. No raffle today. We'll probably do a raffle tomorrow, guys. Today's free chat Monday. MULN, we actually went over that one here a little while ago. Let me see. 150. You got the 200-day moving average. I'm sorry, the 50-day moving average in that area, plus previous resistance and support zones. So a breakup and over that level could trigger a move towards 2, but there's a lot of overhanging resistance here. All right, guys. So we got the SPY, DD, Tesla, AMD, AMC on there. Yep, that's exactly what it was, DeFi Dre. That's exactly what it was. Amazon. So Amazon with their 20-for-1 split today. If the market decides to break 417, I would not be surprised to see Amazon make a move like that over a day or two and get into this area here, 130, 131. Wouldn't surprise me in the least bit. So OKTA, if it breaks underneath 98, you have a gap to fill to the downside here towards 94. AMC 13, looking for 13 resistance, that's for sure. That'll be what I would look for on AMC. Guys, do me a quick solid. We got 35 people watching the stream, but we only got 20 likes. Help me out there. There we go, 21. Let's get it up closer to 30. That'll help out a lot with the YouTube algorithm. Those of you who might be new here, I run the stream Monday through Thursday from 8 a.m. to 9, sorry, from 8:15 a.m. to 9 a.m. Some days, you know, I might come in a little bit later, but I always put the stream up early so you guys see what time it is. But usually it's at 8:15 a.m. All right, so tomorrow we'll run the stream again at 8:15 a.m. and we'll run until 9. We'll also be doing a raffle tomorrow. NWBO. We went over this one the other day. Nothing's changed. Nothing's changed. This chart looks exactly the same. Exactly the same 65-cent support so far, which has been a huge level of support for the stock. So there's nothing that's changed here. Nvidia, I don't really, it's not on the list for me. It's in the middle of this trading channel. 180 support to 200 resistance. It's in the middle of that trading channel. 204 would be top resistance in my opinion. 205. So it's just in the middle of it. Yeah, Joey, exactly. Ain't no fooling going up in here. Young, what did I say about Amazon? Amazon has clear 125 resistance. If it can get up and over that level, it's got room towards 130, 131. All right. If it can get up over 125, 126, it's got room to 131, 130. And that's a gap entry point. And you got the 50-day just above that, about 133. All right, guys. Guys, I'm going to get ready to jump on over to the live stream over on the Discord. The King says he's a Porsche guy. I'm a boat guy. I'm a boat guy. My Lambo sitting in the Keys. in the Keys in the form of a property on the water with a dock and a boat on a lift. That's my Lambo, and I will be there later this summer for the remainder of the summer. So I'm excited to head on back down there to that investment property. All right, guys. So I'm gonna get to work here, put the final touches on the watch list, get it sent out to you guys, and it'll be in your inbox. If you're not a on the watch list, you know, if you want to be on the watch list and get the free watch list, there's the link. We post out the watch list every day in the morning, and every Sunday we send out the weekly watch list. Enjoy. All right, guys, have a good one. Stay safe out there. I'll see you tomorrow at 8:15 a.m. or I'll see you over on the live stream. Remember, today, once again, free chat Monday. You can come join me for free and test drive the chat room. All right, see you guys on that side of things. Have a good one.